right, go ahead and go about your day, bro.
What is all this shit?
Go about your day, bro.
Y'all can't fucking sit out here.
Okay.
Yeah, well, you need to go. I'll have you arrested. Y'all all need to go. You need to go. Every one of you need to go.
Hey, bro, let that man go, bro, before I go back to my car, bro.
Hey, you didn't have to say anything. You can get back to your car.
Hey, go ahead, bro.
You could have got. You just keep going.
Welcome back to the channel. Another day, beautiful day outside. We got a Bentley. He's not with us, but we got a whole BMW crew right now headed to a BMW meet. Smooth M4 right here. I like the gold braces on the inside. It's fine. Red interior. Go follow my guy. We got my big brother right here. Strong 650 to the wheels, a little bit more. You know, you got mine right here. G80. What's your forte? This interior is a fool, bro. See Euro Empire. I even got the shirt on. You need to look into me. Euro Empire. You need to go anywhere. Euro Empire is the place to go. Stupid. Another M4. I love those seats, bro. 135i sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. And then we got thick whips right here. This truck is wild too. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the highway, get some footage, get a whole lot of footage today. It's gonna be a crazy meet, so stay tuned. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, go ahead and go about your day, bro.
What is all this shit?
Go about your day, bro.
Y'all can't fucking sit out here.
Okay.
Yeah, well, you need to go. I'll have you arrested. Y'all all need to go. You need to go. Every one of you need to go.
Hey, bro, let that man go, bro, before I go back to my car, bro.
Hey, you didn't have to say anything. You can get back to your car.
Hey, go ahead, bro.
You could have got. You just keep going.
I swear to God, I almost went back to the old days.
Nah.
Still, it's stop. Just keep going.
What's wrong with that man, bro? We just pulled up to the meet. MSR himself. But we're gonna move up here to the front. There are some Lambos passing by. NSX. That's dumb too.
Shut up.
Crazy Supra.
I saw that. He's gotta be framed for that.
Lambo's parking over there, but I'm about to check these cars out over here first. And then like that color right there. That's the same color of the BMW I was looking at, right? Bro, I want one of these as a daily driver so bad, bro. Gotta have it. I like those wheels. That's what's the name old car. Code, sorry.
My buddy lives out there.
Look at the flake. It's crazy. Orange interior. Got no mind your business, you can't even see. Orange calipers, cold. Clearance. Black on black, you can't go wrong. Russell probably gonna go back sooner or later. Oh, look at the flake in that car. Insane. That's not a wrap. 3 Porsches. I like that. That blue is nice. That color too. That's mad. AG wheels.
Up to you.
Z01, I just raced one of these the other day. I might throw that video in here too. I did pretty good against that. Bruh. You got 4 Giottos on it. Which one, the M3 or M4? Which one y'all taking? M6, M3, M3, M4, same color, which is nasty. I like them color wheels too.
Yo, that's central though.
That way. It's not in mine.
Look, and then in 2 months
He got good insurance too.
I
would have been.
Hey, look, all y'all would see is blades with that damn rollback.
Your leg would been sideways.
Talking about, yes, sir, I got one more. He come back. He heard you. He heard your ass.
Don't make me go to the trunk.
That was kind of slow.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that was dope.
Bro, he left rubber, bro.
Respectfully,
Look at the tire marks, bro.
that ain't him.
Y'all got big
Look,
boy
that's,
Chevy.
that's too wide for him, bro.
That was that Camaro.
Yeah.
That was that Camaro.
That big boy Chevy.
Hey man, we just got finished talking about that.
Bill Regal.
Away from that slow car, Sean.